wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best drones for photographers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, though small and weighing just 11 ounces, the Parrot Anafi is actually quite capable. It has a gimbal-stabilized camera that can be tilted upwards, giving you a lot of versatility for your shot angles, and high dynamic range video capture and zoom abilities. It includes a hyperlapse mode and can shoot in JPEG or RAW formats. However, it doesn't offer obstacle detection. At number 9, more affordable than many other options, the Hubsan Zino Pro is a good choice for those who are on a tight budget but who don't want to sacrifice too much image and video quality. It offers subject tracking, 5G Wi-Fi signal transmission, and 4 flight modes. It also includes a low battery failsafe system and a detachable lens protector. Its 4K video, though, maxes out at 30 frames per second. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the collapsible PowerVision powereye provides almost 30 minutes of flight time and effective object detection technology. It also boasts Micro Four Thirds system compatibility, allowing you to swap out lenses to get the perfect shot. It includes detachable landing gear, 2 integrated light sensors, and a rolling case. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for drones for photographers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Autel Robotics Evo is equipped with glass optics, an Umbrella H2 image processor, and the ability to record 4K footage at 60 frames per second. It also features GPS and GLONASS and an automatic return home function for easy and safe operation. It shows the remaining flight time on a crisp OLED display on the remote. It delivers more flight autonomy than DJI models. Moving up our list to number 6, the yuneec Tornado H920 is a massive hexacopter with retractable landing gear to ensure nothing interferes with your shot. It comes with an ST24 transmitter with an integrated 7-inch Android device, though note that you do have to purchase the camera separately. It's equipped with a carbon fiber frame and is suitable for commercial applications. It can continue to fly if one motor fails. Halfway up our list at number 5, intelligent navigation systems with multi-dimensional obstacle avoidance, active subject tracking, and high-resolution videography make the foldable DJI Mavic Air a highly capable aerial imaging device that's easy to take along on all your travels. It boasts a top speed of 43 miles per hour, automatic white balance, and panoramic image stitching. At number 4, if you're looking for a first-person view underwater rather than from the skies, the submersible PowerVision powerray can plunge almost 100 feet beneath the surface. Additional features include a fish finder, a bait drop, and an immersive virtual reality experience. It comes with a wheeled carrying case, a 70-yard-long retrieval tether, and a surprisingly long-lasting battery. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, intended for serious filmmakers, the DJI Inspire 2 is compatible with 5.2K gimbal cameras like the Zenmuse X5 and X5R. It can accelerate to 50 miles per hour in just 5 seconds, allowing you to keep up with fast-moving subjects for stunning cinematic quality videos. It's extremely stable in flight and offers obstacle sensing range of 16 feet and dual-channel streaming. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for drones for photographers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, there are few better options for travelers than the DJI Mavic Mini, which fits in the palm of your hand when folded. It weighs just 249 grams, so it's exempt from regulations in most countries, yet is still capable of 2.7K HD videos and 12-megapixel stills. It boasts an impressive 30-minute flight time, multiple quick-shot presets, and a helpful flight tutorial. And taking the top spot on our list, the DJI Mavic 2 Pro is equipped with a Hasselblad L1D20C camera that can capture 4K video and 20-megapixel photographs with vibrant color and clarity. It features omnidirectional obstacle avoidance sensors, allowing you to focus on your compositions rather than piloting. It can track fast-moving objects and comes with a 5-mile transmission range and 4 panorama modes. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for drones for photographers, or simply click beneath this video.